Hey creators! Today we're diving into one of the most exciting AI tools for video creation in 2026, Higgsfield. If you've ever wanted to make cinematic, film-like videos without a huge crew or expensive cameras, then you're in for a treat. Higgsfield is a next-generation AI platform designed to be 100% creator-friendly. It combines advanced video, audio, and image models to give you complete control over your content. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to turn a simple idea into a fully produced cinematic shot, all with Higgsfield. So what exactly is Higgsfield? Simply put, it's an all-in-one AI video creation platform. Inside Higgsfield, you get access to some of the most powerful AI models out there. Nano Banana Pro for crisp, production-ready 2K and 4K visuals, Kling 2.6 audio for realistic voices, ambient sounds, and synchronized audio in one pass, WAN 2.5 perfect for bold and uncensored ideas. It understands internet culture, celebrities, and niche references. It generates multi-object motion and lip sync accurately, so you can create TikToks, YouTube shorts, or full videos in 1080p with no extra editing. Finally, Cinema Studio. This is the big one. Cinema Studio is the first AI tool that handles every step of film production. You start with a text prompt, it generates images, converts them to videos, and applies cinematic composition, lighting, and camera angles automatically. You don't need to jump between multiple tools. This is literally a full AI film studio in your browser. Now, let's do a quick demo and make a short cinematic scene. Step 1, pick a model. I'm going to use Cinema Studio because I want a full cinematic look. Step 2, describe your scene. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars zooming past, cinematic camera pan with soft ambient music. Step 3, generate images. Cinema Studio first produces high-resolution frames based on your description. Step 4, convert to video. Next, it animates these frames into a short video sequence. Watch as the camera pans, zooms, and tracks objects automatically. Step 5, add audio. Now I add Kling 2.6. In one click, it adds ambient city sounds, wind effects, and subtle background music. Step 6, export. Finally, I export it in 1080p, ready for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. And just like that, we've created a professional cinematic video in under 5 minutes, all without touching a camera or a microphone. To get the most out of Higgsfield, here are a few pro tips. First, be specific in your prompts. The more detail you give, the more cinematic your shots. Think about camera angles, time of day, emotional tone, and number of characters. Second, use model strengths. Nano Banana Pro for detailed visuals, Kling 2.6 for perfect audio sync, WAN 2.5 for bold and uncensored ideas. Third, experiment with angles and lenses. Cinema Studio lets you pick real cinema cameras and lenses. Use these to create consistent cinematic moods. Fourth, leverage the media kit. Higgsfield has pre-built assets and templates to jumpstart your creativity. Fifth, iterate quickly. Don't worry if your first render isn't perfect. Change prompts, tweak models, and generate again. Higgsfield is fast, so you can test multiple ideas quickly. So there you have it. Higgsfield is more than just an AI video generator. It's a full creative studio in your browser. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikTok creator, filmmaker, or just someone who wants to experiment with cinematic AI videos, Higgsfield makes it easy to turn ideas into polished videos fast. If you're ready to try it out, check out the links in the description for more tutorials, guides, and the Higgsfield Media Kit. I'm excited to see what you all create with this. The possibilities are endless, from short films to TikTok content to animated explainer videos. This platform is a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and cinematic content tips. Drop a comment below if you want me to create a full 1-minute short film entirely in Higgsfield. I might just do it next. And don't forget, all the assets, demos, and templates are linked in the description. Go explore Higgsfield and start creating today. One of the things that sets Higgsfield apart is the level of control that gives creators over every part of the video creation process. For example, with Cinema Studio, you can adjust virtual camera angles, lighting, and lens effects just like a real film set. This means that your final shot isn't just generated, it's intentionally composed, giving your content a cinematic feel that feels handcrafted. Higgsfield also supports layered scene creation. You can create a base environment with Nano Banana Pro, then overlay characters or objects using WAN 2.5, and finally add dynamic audio through Kling 2.6. This layered approach allows for more complex and visually engaging scenes than most AI video platforms. Another powerful feature is scene consistency across multiple shots. Often, AI-generated content struggles with maintaining character appearance or environmental details across scenes. Higgsfield solves this by letting you lock certain visual elements so your character's face, outfit, or props remain identical from one shot to the next. This is especially useful if you're creating story-driven videos or series where continuity is critical. For creators working on social media, Higgsfield's ability to generate multiple aspect ratios is a huge time saver. You can produce the same scene in landscape for YouTube, square for Instagram, and vertical for TikTok all in one workflow. Combined with its fast render times, this makes it practical to produce content at scale without compromising quality. Let's talk about some real-world applications of Higgsfield. You can use it to recreate movie-style scenes for storytelling, generate educational content with clear diagrams and visuals, or produce short-form content for social platforms. For instance, a science explainer could be made entirely in Higgsfield. Nano Banana Pro generates a clean 3D visual of the solar system. Kling 2.6 adds narration and ambient space sounds, and WAN 2.5 animates planets moving along their orbits. Within minutes, you have a fully immersive educational video without ever opening professional software. Another creative use is AI-generated cinematic intros for your YouTube channel. You could design a 10-second branded opening with your logo integrated naturally into a dynamic scene, motion, lighting, and sound already synchronized. This makes every video feel high quality, even if your production budget is zero. Higgsfield also allows rapid prototyping of ideas. If you're brainstorming a short film or ad concept, you can test multiple versions of the same scene in minutes, change the lighting, camera angle, or character movement, and instantly compare results. This iterative workflow is a game changer for content creators who want to experiment without wasting time. To get the most out of Higgsfield, think of it as a collaborator rather than just a tool. You can guide it with detailed prompts, but also experiment with abstract ideas to see what it interprets creatively. Sometimes unexpected results lead to unique cinematic moments. When working with Nano Banana Pro, make sure to utilize its data-aware capabilities. This means you can generate accurate charts, infographics, or scene details that make your content not only visually appealing, but also information-rich. For Kling 2.6 audio, layering subtle sounds can make a huge difference. Adding ambient background noise like birds in a park or street chatter creates depth in your scenes and makes them feel alive. Even small audio details elevate the realism of AI-generated content. WAN 2.5 is perfect for culturally relevant content, including references, slang, or trending topics. By crafting culturally aware prompts, you can produce videos that resonate strongly with your target audience, whether it's local or global. Another strength of Higgsfield is its efficiency in scaling content creation. You can batch generate multiple scenes, switch models, and export several versions simultaneously. This is particularly useful for creators managing multiple channels or producing regular content for social media. For teams, Higgsfield allows collaboration on a single project. You can share prompts, media assets, and templates so multiple creators can work together without stepping on each other's progress. It's almost like having a virtual production studio accessible from anywhere. Finally, Higgsfield offers a media kit with pre-made assets, including backgrounds, characters, and soundscapes that let you jumpstart projects without starting from scratch, which is ideal when deadlines are tight or inspiration is needed quickly. What makes Higgsfield truly stand out is its combination of ease of use, depth of control, and creative flexibility. Many AI video platforms force you to compromise on quality or control, but Higgsfield gives you both. You can create anything from cinematic shorts to dynamic social media content with visuals, audio, and motion all working in harmony. It's not just a tool for creators, it's a platform that helps you think like a filmmaker, teaching you how to frame shots, manage scene continuity, and design immersive audio-visual experiences. By integrating multiple models and providing an intuitive workflow,